In this video, we have 50 MCQs from the first chapter of the accounting book An Intuitive Approach by Sohail Afzal and Mr. Arif Chaudhary. Let's start. Accounting is referred to as dash of business. A. Summarization. B. Classification. C. Interpretation. D. Language. The answer is D. Language. Question number 2. Accounting is an art of dash the transaction. A. Recording. B. Classifying. C. Summarizing. D. All of these. The answer is D. All of these. Question number 3. No accounting is possible for an event or transaction which is not measurable in terms of dash. A. Sheets. B. Money. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. The answer is money. Question number 4. In what stage transactions are recorded chronologically in the book of accounts? A. Recording. B. Classification. C. Summarization. D. Interpretation. The answer is A. Recording. Question number 5. Stage in which transactions of similar nature are classified and recorded separately. A. Recording. B. Classifying. C. Summarizing. D. Interpreting. The answer is B. Classifying. Question number 6. Stage in which data and information is summarized on the basis of classified information. A. Recording. B. Classifying. C. Summarization. D. Interpretation. The answer is C. Summarization. Question number 7. In what stage all the accounting data and information related to it are analyzed? A. Recording. B. Summarization. C. Classification. D. Interpretation. The answer is D. Interpretation. Question number 8. Bookkeeping means the dash of transaction. A. Recording. B. Classification. C. Summarization. D. Interpretation. The answer is A. Recording. Question number 9. What is the function of accounting? A. Classification of transaction. B. Summarization of transaction. C. Interpretation of transaction. Or D. All of these. The answer is D. All of these. Question number 10. Accountancy is the branch of dash. A. Auditing. B. Costing. C. Accountancy. D. None of these. The answer is C. Accountancy. Question number 11. Which is not the part of accountancy? A. Bookkeeping. B. Accounting. C. Costing. D. None of these. The answer is D. None of these. Question number 12. Accounting has many functions except A. Recording of transaction. B. Classification of transaction. C. Summarization of transaction. D. Interpretation of transaction. The answer is A. Recording of transaction. Question number 13. Accounting starts where dash ends. A. Bookkeeping. B. Auditing. C. Taxation. Or D. All of these. The answer is A. Bookkeeping. Question number 14. Which is the branch of accounting? A. Financial accounting. B. Cost accounting. C. Managerial accounting. D. All of these. The answer is D. All of these. Question number 15. The main purpose of financial accounting is dash. A. To find the profit or loss. B. Determine the cost of goods. C. Controlling cost. Or D. None of these. The answer is A. To find the profit or loss. Question number 16. The main object of cost accounting is A. Determine the cost of goods. B. State the financial position. C. Make decisions about business. D. None of these. The answer is A. Determine the cost of goods. Question number 17. The oldest branch of accounting is A. Financial accounting, B. Cost accounting, C. Managerial accounting, or D. None of these. Or the correct answer is A. Financial accounting. Question number 18. Proper accounting is essential because lender will only agree to lend money when he is satisfied with the dash of the borrower. A. Kindness, B. Character, C. Solvency, D. None of these. The answer is C. Solvency. Question number 19. Which is not a business entity? A. Beauty salon, B. Airline, C. Sugar mills, D. Public school. The correct answer is D. Public school. Question number 20. In what form of business organization there is only one owner? A. Sole proprietorship, B. Partnership, C. Joint stock company, or D. All of these. The answer is A. Sole proprietorship. Question number 21. In what form of business ownership can be divided into two or more people? A. Sole proprietorship, B. Partnership, C. Both A and B, or D. None of these. The answer is B. Partnership. Question number 22. Which form of business has the legal right to act as a person? A. Joint stock company, B. Partnership, C. Sole proprietorship, and D. None of these. The answer is A. Joint stock company. Question number 23. Joint stock company is formed under Companies Ordinance dash A. 1984, B. 1986, C. 1987, or D. 1989. The correct answer is A. 1984. Question number 24. The persons who have made investment in the joint stock company are known as A. Debenture holders, B. Shareholders, C. Borrowers, or D. None of these. The answer is B. Shareholders. Question number 25. In accounting, goods refer to dash A. Good virtues, B. Something purchased by a trader for resale purposes, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. The answer is B. Something purchased by a trader for resale purposes. Question number 26. In accounting, cloth will be goods to a dash A. Watch dealer, B. Cloth dealer, C. Book dealer, D. None of these. Answer is B. Cloth dealer. Question number 27. If a cloth dealer purchased stationery, it will be said that dash has been made. A. Sales, B. Purchases, C. Stationery, D. Loss. The answer is stationery has been purchased. If a cloth dealer purchased stationery. Question number 28. If goods are purchased and payments will be made at the same time, it is known as dash A. Sales, B. Cash purchases, C. None of these, D. Loss. The answer is B. Cash purchases. Question number 29. When goods are purchased and payment is made at some future date, it is known as dash A. Credit purchases, B. Cash purchases, C. None of these, D. Loss. The answer is A. Credit purchases. Question number 30. Goods once purchased may subsequently be sent back to its seller because of low quality or defectiveness, which is known as A. Purchase return, B. Cash purchases, C. None of these, D. Loss. The correct answer is A. Purchase return. Question number 31. The reduction in price by seller when defective or damaged goods are sold to customer is called dash A. Allowance, B. Cash purchases, C. none of these, D. Profit. The correct answer is A. Allowance. Question number 32. When goods are sold to customers for a specific price, it is known as A. Sales, B. Cash purchases, C. Loss, D. Profit. The answer is A. Sales. Question number 33. Goods sold to customers may return by them due to various reasons. It is known as A. Sales return, B. Purchase return, C. Sales, D. Purchases. The answer is A. Sales return. Question number 34. When discount is given from a listed or catalog price, it is known as A. Trade discount, B. Allowance, C. Cash discount, D. Purchases. The answer is A. Trade discount. Question number 35. Dash are the persons to whom goods have been sold on credit basis. A. Debtors, B. Creditors, C. Employers, D. None of these. The answer is A. Debtors. Question number 36. Dash are the persons from whom goods have been purchased on credit basis. A. Debtors, B. Creditors, C. Employers, D. None of these. The answer is B. Creditors. Question number 37. The deduction or allowance given by the creditor to debtor if the amount due is paid by the debtor before due date is called A. Credit discount, B. Cash discount, C. Paper discount, D. None of these. The answer is B. Cash discount. Question number 38. Funds supplied by the owners of the business are called A. Revenue, B. Capital, C. Expenses, D. None of these. The answer is B. Capital. Question number 39. Economic resources owned by the business are called A. Revenue, B. Asset, C. Expense, D. None of these. The answer is B. Asset. Question number 40. Debts or obligations of the business are called A. Revenue, B. Liabilities, C. Expenses, D. None of these. The answer is B. Liabilities. Question number 41. Span of time for which a business generally prepares its financial statements. A. Decades, B. Accounting period, C. 5 years, D. None of these. The answer is B. Accounting period. Question number 42. Price of goods sold or services provided by a business to its customer is called A. Cost, B. Revenue, C. Cash, D. All of these. The answer is B. Revenue. Question number 43. Cost of producing revenue in a particular accounting period is called A. Revenue, B. Expense, C. Liability, D. None of these. The answer is B. Expense. Question number 43. Net income or net profit is called A. Revenue minus expenses, B. Revenue plus expenses, C. Revenue product expenses, D. Revenue divided expenses. The answer is A. Revenue minus expenses. Question number 44. Accounts are kept for entities distinguished from the persons associated with it. What accounting concept is this? A. Separate entity, B. Going concept, C. Money measurement, D. Dual aspect. The answer is A. Separate entity. Question number 45. Assumptions that business will continue to operate for indefinite period of time. What concept is this? A. Separate entity, B. Going concern, A. C. Money measurement, D. Dual aspect. The answer is B. Going concern. Question number 46. A record is made only of those information that can be expressed in monetary terms. What accounting concept is this? A. Separate entity, B. Going concern, C. Money measurement, D. Dual aspect. The answer is money measurement. Question number 47. The accounting concept of offsetting expenses against revenue on the basis of cause and effect is called A. Separate entity, B. going concern, C. matching concept, D. dual aspect. The answer is matching concept. Question number 48. Rule of anticipate no profit but provide for all possible losses is followed by what accounting convention? A. Conservatism, B. Full disclosure, C. Consistency, D. Materiality. The answer is A. Conservatism. Question number 49. What convention states that once an entity has decided on one method, it should use the same method for all subsequent events of the same character? A. Conservatism, B. Full disclosure, C. Consistency, D. Materiality. The answer is C. Consistency. Question number 50. In what convention users of financial statements are informed of any fact necessary for the proper interpretation of statements? A. Conservatism, B. Full disclosure, C. Consistency, D. Materiality. The answer is B. Full disclosure. Thank you so much.